It's not just about coming and receiving a relaxing beauty treatment, it's about the science as to how something can really help improve problem areas, I guess, and I definitely have one of those. Having had a baby 18 months ago, I have a healthy, fit lifestyle, I've started to exercise again, and I just need that little bit of extra help, which is why I'm here. Well, I'm aware, of course, that Emsculpt has been around for a while and I've done a lot of reading about it, but the fact that this is the Emsculpt Neo and that this is taken up a notch, it was great. We had the paddles put on me. I had no idea what the sensation was going to feel like, and you kind of have this very hot sort of current running through you that kind of sucks everything up as well, but it's not painful. It's actually quite enjoyable. I love the fact that I could feel something happening, so you know that it's working, and you have this kind of sucking in and out, and it kind of ramps up as the minutes go on, and it kind of builds and builds and builds. You can really feel it happening, and it's just going to give me that little bit of extra help to try and strengthen some of these core muscles, which I think are in there somewhere. And the fact that I learned that you burn fat as well whilst having this treatment, I was definitely going to make sure that was going to happen.